This is a quick video reviewing how to run Pearson's R correlation using SPSS. And now if you remember, a correlation is an analysis done to find out whether two or more variables are related to one another. So here we have an example. Our variables are GPA and hours study. If we go to variable view, we can find out more about these variables. GPA stands for grade point average, which typically runs from 0 to 4. And then hours study stands for weekly hours spent studying, so the weekly hours that students reported spending their time studying. So since we're looking for a relationship between these two using the correlation, one would assume that as one goes up, the other one goes up. As one spends more time studying, their GPA should be higher. So that's what we're thinking is going on here. To run the analysis, we'll go to Analyze, Correlate, and then Bivariate. And then we'll move our two variables that we're interested in finding a relationship between over to this variables box. If you have a bigger data set, you can put all of the variables that you're interested in here. We click Pearson's for Pearson's R, two-tailed because that's more conservative, and then we flag significant correlations, meaning that we see an asterisk in the output when we have a significant relationship. So all of that should be in order. We'll click OK, and then we should get a box that looks like this. So here's our output. This gives us the results of our analysis. And if we compare grade point average down here with weekly hours spent studying, we see we do have a significant finding. This significance level, or P level, is less than 0.05. To find out the exact number, we can double click here and click on this box, double click again, and you'll see this number is much smaller than 0.05. It's 6.17 times 10 to the negative 99, so there are 99 zeros ahead of that number. So we also see the correlation coefficient here, and this is 0.788, which would round to 0.79 for APA write-ups. So we have all of the parts except for effect size. To get effect size, all we do is multiply 0.788 times itself, which comes out to 0.620944, so about 0.62. So that's how you would find all of the pieces of information you need to report your results. And that's been this video.